it's your girl Joy Loves, and I'm back with another video. I look a hot mess and I'm hot. So today I am going to be cleaning my refrigerator. It's almost the first of the month, and I do this once a month. And typically around this time, I clean it. I take everything out and I clean it out. Now, some of y'all gonna get on me because I have like soups that have never been opened. I have my old meal preps that I didn't get to. And also, I have a bag here full of things that I already took out. And I was like, why? Just show them how you clean out your refrigerator, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my refrigerator for the next month. And I'll be cleaning this little area of the floor. So let me get to it. I do want to say I sometimes take these out and I will rearrange them depending on what I want to be sat on these shelves. And right now I'm sitting like lunch meats and stuff like that on here on this shelf, and this is just miscellaneous stuff that the kids don't typically use, so I will probably drop that. We'll lift that one and drop the one with the shelf on it. I am also using, that is just bleach, water, and soap. And then I also spray down with some Fabuloso. I ran out of, what is it called? Baking soda. I usually have a box of baking soda in here to keep it fresh. Let me know in the comment section down below, like, how often do you clean your refrigerator? Do you clean it once a week? Do you clean it once a month? Do you not clean it? Does your spouse clean it? Does your mate clean it? Get underneath here too, because dirty fingers. So that's my fridge, y'all, after I cleaned it and everything. Bring y'all down some. No, Marshawn Prince. Y'all, this little boy. There it is, y'all. There it is. And there it is. I hope you guys liked it. What's your problem? Okay, y'all, I'm sweating. I think I gotta work out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and then that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload. Also, I challenge Lovely Samira and Shanique's Dream and Mama Dream from the Family Dream to do a refrigerator, just the refrigerator, y'all. The refrigerator clean out and clean with me. See y'all later. Bye.